AngularJS PHP MySQL moving assembly line resume. Open all moving assembly line, this address. You will see this. We have step 9, 9 steps in moving assembly line. Step 1, open this address, empty home page, index.php. It is. Step 2, open this address, database.sql, empty home page. Step 3, open this address, the first PHP script on the home page, navigation links, look at address bar as you click on different links. You have links. Step 4, open this address, PHP as JSON vendor. Open this address, select control.php, and you will see all records from table menu in format in JSON format. JSON format. Step 5, open this link. AngularJS bring the JSON documents to the home page. Step 5. Step 6, open this address, attach Bootstrap template. Step 7, open this address, create the new row in the table menu. Step 8, open this address, read update delete part of admin. And step 9, open this address, the final product, admin design, login. You see here link admin. We are ready for part 2 explanation.